Hello guys, we want to trade again. Today is 25th of May and I'm doing this video around 7:54 a.m. I want to show you guys how it's possible to play BetZero without losing. Today we are going to roll about 137,000 naira for 5 times. Please, you guys should like and subscribe. We will start our trading in the next draw. Comment, tell me how you feel about this video and what you want me to do or to put in the next video. Hello guys, we don't have a save game here. I'm sorry. The next one will play, but right now we don't have save game.
Big fan of cars. You know what I love about it is that it actually scared me.
عن قصة حقيقية لتحقق أحلامك. هنالك 3 خطوات.
Finger 1, finding out money. Finger 2, making everything.
Okay guys, we are in save game here.
Make America a better place.
You said no violence, no bad violence.
We are only going to play
Pain and Gain. السبت 1 بعد منتصف الليل KSA.
We are very certain that 2 will not come in the next draw. That's why we selected 2 not to come and we put all the money.
صنعت منه كاتبا مشهورا.
And this happens to be our first game for today.
I would very much like to represent you and your work.
ستبقى
As you can see, we won so easy from 137. Right now we at 130.
You read that? Well, of course I wrote that.
Bradley Cooper. The Words. الثلاثاء 11 KSA on NBC2.
What were you employed to do?
I translated signals intelligence and reported anything I thought might be of interest to my clients.
What did you do this about? You're a spy.
No. If I could get you a copy, you know how. Samples have treason.
As you can see, we selected 35. We would have added 38,
The Americans sourced out.
but let's go with 35 because we are certain that 35 will not come in the next row.
No.
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 Someone has betrayed their government and their country.
As you can see, we won our game. So easy,
Was to stop a war and save lives.
so easy, guy.
You were charged with an offence, the Official Secrets Act. How do you plead?
Official Secrets. الخميس 9 KSA on NBC2.
We don't have a save game here, so we'll wait till the next draw. Please guys, you guys should like and subscribe, comment Bet9ja on the comment section if you don't have anything reasonable to say.
You want me to win, don't you?
In the meanwhile,
Win, you go free.
continue our trading.
Here we go.
Okay, right now we selected 46 and 47 not to come. 46, we are certain that 47 will not come.
You will not walk.
As you can see, we won our fourth game.
said 10.
I said 5.
In the car, you said I could turn 500 into 10,000.
Yes, but first I had said.
No buts. Come on, why would I try and win 5,000 when I'm going to get 5,000 for turning you in? That doesn't even make sense.
Well, you know what does make sense? I'm walking. I'm leaving. Okay, that's it. I'm out.
Hey, no. You stay
Okay.
here till I win 10 grand, then you walk.
This will be our last game for today.
Let's go, shooter.
Played 3 not to come, and we are certain 3 will not come.
Watch. I will point you. 4. Easy. The point is 4.
Okay, 4. It's okay, no worries, I can do 4.
Thank you guys for watching.
2 twos.
See you guys in the next video.
4 and 0.
Of course you're to blame. What, a 4 and a 0?